Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at l'Université Ali University Obligato. Today, we're going to present our second lecture titled Artificial Intelligence. So, I have divided my first lecture into the following four elements as follows. What is artificial intelligence? What are the types of artificial intelligence? Career opportunities in artificial intelligence? Language activities. Should I use its or the when referring to a company? And finally, as usual, assessment, quizzes, tests, and the exam. So, what is an artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is an interdisciplinary science with multiple approaches, but advancements in machine learning and deep learning are creating a paradigm shift in virtually every sector of the tech industry. For example, of artificial intelligence, self-driving cars, Google search, conversational bots, email spam filters, Netflix recommendations, and finally, Facebook. What are the types or the different types of artificial intelligence? There are three ways to classify artificial intelligence based on their capabilities rather than types of artificial intelligence. These are stages through which artificial intelligence can evolve. First one, narrow artificial intelligence. Second one, artificial general intelligence. And finally, and last one, artificial super intelligence. So, a third element about career opportunities in artificial intelligence. So, first, career about artificial intelligence engineer and artificial intelligence developer and machine learning engineer and also machine learning developer. Second one, artificial intelligence analyst specialist. After that, data scientist and before finally research scientist. And two other types of career opportunities in artificial intelligence, product manager, and robotics scientist. First one, the job of a product manager incorporates a significant role of artificial intelligence resolving challenges issues by strategically collecting data falls under the duty of product manager. Last one, robotics scientist. Advanced technologies becoming the pioneer. Robots are indeed stealing the job of people, handling manual or repetitive or boring tasks. Third element, language activities. It's is singular possessive pronoun form while there is a plural possessive pronoun form. Both are correct when talking about a company because it's a collective noun. It's more common to use it's because company typically takes on a singular pronoun form. You can see that with the following sentences. For example, the company will give its opinion on these issues in a few months. The company will issue their address when they feel ready in the near future. Both its and their are correct because company works as collective noun. Please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, quizzes, tests, and the exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next week.